Hey everybody, Kenny Conklin here from HobbyLinkInternational.com. It's been a while since I made a video and my face was on this side of the camera. And the first thing that I have to do is apologize to my subscribers here, my followers and friends on YouTube, because I made an announcement on Facebook and not all of you are on Facebook. And I completely forgot to make the announcement here and I apologize for that. Unfortunately, on July the 4th, we lost Boyd Crompton. Great guy in the community. Everybody loved him. He was a sweetheart to everybody and would help anybody anytime he could. Halloween was always one of his favorite group builds. He got in on our group builds. I've been running a group build kind of along with him for about 6 to 8 years, somewhere around there. So we ran them simultaneously at the same time. We always had a good time with those. But what I announced on Facebook 5 days ago was we used to call it the annual Halloween group build, just a basic name to it. But we're changing that up. We're going to be changing it to the Boyd Crompton Memorial Halloween Group Build. And that's to honor Boyd every year, his memory, to build something that he enjoyed building, Halloween stuff. He always had a great show. And he, like I said, got builds in our group builds, which was always cool to see Boyd's build along with us. So the rules are pretty simple. It's got to be a brand new kit, unstarted, or a 3D print. It could be anything creepy, spooky, scary. If you're not sure, just email me at hobbylinkinternational.com or hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com and ask your questions away. I'll answer anything that you got a question about. Like I said, it can't be started. It could be any scale. You can scratch build something, a haunted house, a set of ghosts, whatever it may be. As long as it's Halloween themed, somebody in costume or Dracula or Jason or something like that. I'll throw a few pictures up here in a few seconds. This way you can see past builds, and I'll throw some of Boyd's builds in here too that he did for our group build. The group build ends on October 28th. I need all the pictures by then. This way I can make the slideshow, because if you didn't know, we have a Halloween slideshow every year. Everybody that enters their pictures, I make a slideshow with a little 4 picture before their build. This way it's special for them. And yes, I did mistakenly put Bob Bruce's name on Dirk Pitt's build one year, and I still apologize for that, Dirk. But I try to make it as special as we can. Last year, we didn't get a chance to do the big Halloween setup that we did the previous year. But this year, Kelly and I said we can't let that happen again. So we're going to have the cool, spooky background and all that other good stuff and make it fun and exciting. Like I think Boyd would want it, because, like I said, it was his favorite group build. And he loved seeing all the builds, and he loved being involved in that. If you haven't checked out his videos from his Halloween shows, go over to TrekWorks on YouTube and just look for his Halloween specials. Or it might be under the model shop, one of the two. Check them out, and they are great. So it's our honor to do this group build, or change the group build from just our plain old HobbyLink International group build to honor a very, very good friend of ours who was just an excellent person, an awesome guy to talk to, would help anybody that he could. So, let's remember him, build some cool models, and we'll have a great live show. Again, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please email me at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com. Talking to my brother Tommy, we're going to try to get a dedicated space again. This way we could keep the group builds in one place. Like I said, you don't have to be on Facebook. You can be on YouTube. As long as you get me those pictures of your finished builds by October 28th, they'll be in the show, and we'll have a good night that night. We'll watch the slideshow. We'll talk about Boyd. We'll talk about the builds, and we'll have a fantastic time in memory of our friend. So I hope to see a lot of you building. And again, I apologize to my YouTube friends and subscribers and followers for not putting this information out on the 5th when I did it for the Facebook crew. So we'll see you all soon. I hope you all have a great night. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.